answer.
14, please, over. Okay, sorry. I guess I'm not pressing the pedal right today. I copied everything you said. I was just trying to copy down your fuel to give the master there, Tom, so you feel good by the time, leave the Cumberland with these originating trains. But I think you said, I got a mixed one. I think you said 3,600 MOE, maybe 5,000 on this rail.
Yeah, 3,600 on the 7013, 5,000 on the 258, 4,300 on the 5333. The RSTX 1893 is dead to tow, and our DP is at 711 with 4,100 gallons.
I was sitting there by my outlet coming down, they figure about 1,400 for sure.
Alright, thank you. Alright, first one is the charge. 7013's got 3,600. Behind that, the 258 with 5,000. Behind that, the 5203. That's engine 203 with 4,500 gallons. Then I got an RSTX 1893 that's dead tow. And then I got a DP that's 118 that's 711 with 4,100 gallons.
Yep, I got it then. 3,600, 5,000, 4,500 dead and tow, and then DP 4,100. Alright guys, I'm ready for you. Okay, to come on west, I'm trying to follow our street, just go on location there. Off the freight at Bible, number 2, just over.
Bring notification off the freight. Go west.